morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My YouTube channel is MCVTPH Productions. So, nandito tayo malapit sa location kung saan ito ang peryahan ng Legazpi. Since inilulunsad ito kapag mga September or October, or every September, October. So, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MCVTPH Productions, and i-explore ko here, right now. Come on. So here I am sa peryahan ng Albay when I was inside. So I will represent this, including ito yung mga stuffed toys na may bilan, and may mga paputok-putok, and ito the Ferris wheel. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala. I correct it. This is called the carousel. Ay, hindi ito yung carousel. Basta may pagka-sort of merry-go-round. Pero I think it's good. Label dyan ay mix up. So, ito na yung Ferris wheel na nakikita natin. So, it is currently largest na nakita ko sa Legazpi. So, ito naman yung parang ala carousel na parang may pagka-merry-go-round. Ito, parang hangin niya na ng mga upuan. Yun nandyan. Also then, everyone is having time on this. At may mga kantahan pa, karaoke. And yung the last time is nasa video is yung Viking. And kanina people are started to streaming. And ito yung mga pagkain like the pancakes, at mga pang-other na mga palaro stuff. Others tumataya dito para sa mga upcoming lottery events. And Royal or H-Mon. Mga bingo card ang
sige, mangyayari ang katanda, no?
ito using cards.
Hanggang 800, pwede madali. Baliktagan tayo, subok tayo na may pattern. Mangyayari, straight na naman tayo. Straight naman mangyayari na mga kaibigan.
So, people are enjoying
this
video.
Ayan pala, pwede na may tana.
Uso yung mga card system, especially kapag mayroong mga deck of cards.
Pwede na may tana.
Oh!
Walang sabit.
Look at this one. It is the haunted. I don't know what this is, but it looks spooky one. Creepy one. So this was the caterpillar. So nag-enjoy yung mga bata, and ito yung fun slide na kung saan I remember when I was a kid, umaakit-akit ako at may mga things. Pero ito, fun slide na mag-enjoy yung mga bata. They can slide wherever they go by climbing up the stairs and and may mga time limit, and also may mga ticket booths pa eligible, and yung mga putok-putok shots, throw darts to collect reward. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MCVTPH Productions, and have a nice day everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye!